Good morning. Out on my local beach today. It's only about 5-10 minutes away from my house. So I'm going to do a bit of detecting for a few hours to see what I can find, and I'll post the finds up. Right, see you on the first hole. Well, first target of the day, and it's reading 54 on the simplex, and it's in this clump here. There it is. Yeah, cartridge case, blank cartridge case. Right, on to the next hole. Another target, and it's another blank shell case. Get a lot of these on this beach. Okay, it's been fired, so that's safe. Thank you. Just had a squeaky signal down here. See what it is. There it is. What is it? Right, let me give that a clean and I'll get straight back to you. Yeah, here's me thinking I've got a nice big coin, but it turns out, I believe, to be a dog tag. You can just see some writing on there. You find a lot of those on this beach as well. I've got to clean that up and find out who it belongs to. Right, on to the next hole. Another blank firing case. Fired. Right, on to the next hole. Just dug this hole, 26 on the simplex, and it's in there somewhere. Could be that. Right, I'll get back to you on that one. Well, the last hole was a bottle top, and I've just gone over to another hole now. I've got a reading of 73 on the simplex, and it's somewhere in here. Let's get the pinpointer out. Piece of metal. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's just a big chunk of metal. Rusty on one side. Bit of green on the other side. So didn't want to back was off. But okay, on to the next hole. Just had a solid reading of 88 on the old simplex, and it's somewhere in here. Piece of rubbish. Okay, on to the next one. Reading 75, and I believe it's my first coin of the day. Completely caked in mud. Not mud, sand. I don't know what it is, probably a penny. And I'll check it when I get home, give it a good clean. Okay, on to the next hole. Yeah, solid 64. Looks like another cartridge case, looking at it. Right, on to the next hole. Solid reading of 50 out of this hole. And I believe it's probably a bullet. Yeah, I would say it was a bullet. First one I found on this beach. Plenty of cartridge cases, but no bullet heads. I think it's a bullet anyway. 1, 2, 3 ringed. Okay, on to the next hole. Just took this up. It was a solid 63, 64. Looks like a bit of a front of a button. Yeah, that's what I think it is. Right, on to the next hole. Not finding much, but at least I'm out in the fresh air. Have a gander around, see where I'm detecting. It's quite a decent sized beach. You get a lot of people here with their dogs. Way round. Tide's well out at the moment. Anyway, on to the next hole. Just had a solid 48 out of that hole there. It wasn't down too deep. See what it is. Whatever it is. I don't know what that is. Just give that a little clean and I'll get back to you. Yeah, give it a clean. It's a 4-hole button. Yeah, shank on the back. Right, on to the next hole. Just dug this hole and I believe I found another 4-hole button. Looking at it, yeah, I would say it is. Yeah, 4-hole button. Right, on to the next hole. Well, not an eventful day on the beach, but I did manage a few items. 1, 2, 3, 4 cartridge cases. Bit of a clay pipe. 1 coin, which I believe is a penny. Dog tag. 1 bullet. 3 buttons, and the rest is scrap. At least the beach has been cleaned. I've cleaned the beach a bit more. Right, see you on my next hunt.